That is why I said it is an advantage of history optional. Solving the map. By solving 20 site, we are scoring 50 marks. Find out the site with the help of the clues and write a short description for each site. And this is easily scorable because we have to study ancient India, medieval India, art and culture for our paper 1. And if you study it properly, definitely out of 20, minimum 15, 16 sides easily you can score. You can find out, you can answer. So here our strategy is simple. We will cover all the 300, 400 sides. And our strategy is to score all the 20 sides. We have to score 50 marks. Map solving, it has 50 marks in paper 1. We have to score the complete 50 marks. Okay, so you see, optional students, they have different strategies of map solving. So different strategies we discussed, and the very one which we discussed, okay, you can follow this one. MSD Mahendra Singh Dhoni method. This is another method. It's not necessary. Whatever which I have shown you, it's not necessary. You must follow this. But this is one also one of the easiest way of scoring. Okay. So anyway, so again I am telling you this for your revision part. You take care. Yeah, map solving. This map solving question. This comes in our paper 1. This is in our paper 1. And it carries 50 marks. Here you have to find out 20 sites given in the map. Okay, 20 sites given in the map with the help of these clues, and give short description for each. Give short description for each. Okay, that 3 to 4 lines maximum. Okay, here your score is 50 very easily. This is a kind of an objective question, I would say. So, and this session I said it, this Vedic and post-Vedic sites. Vedic and post-Vedic sites. Okay, you have to cover prehistoric sites, prehistoric, then Indus Valley civilization. It's 3 phases. Then there is Vedic sites. Then this Mahajanpada sites. Then we cover Buddhist and Jain sites. We cover this Mauryan sites, post-Mauryan sites. We cover Sangam sites. We cover this megalithic sites. We cover Gupta and post-Gupta and early medieval India sites. Also we cover that cultural sites of ancient and medieval age. So this is our strategy in our mapping. Okay, so let's move on to, so this is again, take care, I should say that this must be feed in your mind, okay, when you approach this map solving of history optional. Now here, the very next site which we discussed here, okay, Vedic and post-Vedic, the very next site, yeah, that's, what is that, which is, look into the map, is outline map. There you can see, yeah, this is, okay, so this is Ahikshetra, or you can call it Ahikshetra. Okay, this is another popular Vedic site. This is another popular Vedic site. The location you take care. What is the location? Okay, here the location is important. I mean, only 2-3 points you write down, that is more than sufficient. Okay, 2-3 points. That means if you hold a smartphone horizontally, that much space is only required for writing the short description in your answer booklet. See, this I would say the site. You can see the site. I hope you marked the site. Okay, this is in IAS, Bareilly of Indian state, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and it was the capital of this Panchala state. Okay, which was discussed in this Mahabharata. Okay, then it is known for identifying these terracotta figurines. Many terracotta figurines being identified from this particular site, and also painted graveware, post-Vedic pottery. Okay, painted graveware pottery, gray painted pottery or painted graveware. That is identified from this particular site. Again, this site first identified or it was first explored by this Alexander Cunningham. Okay, Alexander Cunningham. Then later further excavations was done by Archaeological Survey of India. It is in 1930s, 40s. Okay. Also this site is a popular Jain site. This is a popular Jain site. See, 4 to 5 bullet points, because it will be helpful for your prelims preparation also. Okay, in match the pair or match the following type of questions they ask this. So these points enough for this. Just try to locate this in the map itself. In the map itself, you write down these bullet points, the short points, okay, about that site. Now this is another popular Vedic site which I call it is Hastinapur. Yes, the Hastinapur. Okay, can you see the site in the map? Okay, we followed grid pattern. Okay, in the grid pattern, grid method, yes, further we applied this MSD. Things are easy. Things are easy. Here itself you find out. Once you identified the site, then you are giving the points here. Okay, the points you are giving here itself, that will be easier method of your revision. Okay, Hastinapur. So this is again, first you identify the site, the identity, geographical identity. This is in Meerut, which is in UP. This is in Meerut district of UP, and this was the capital of Hastinapur. This was the capital of this. Yes, the Kuru. Okay, it was the capital of this Kuru kingdom of this Maharashtras. Kuru kingdom, which is discussed in this, not Maharashtra, this is Mahabharata. What I am saying is Mahabharata. Okay. Again, this is a site which is painted graveware pottery identified from this site. Painted graveware pottery. Also, this is a site from where these iron tools. So, iron tools means they are belonging to 1000 BC. Okay, iron discovery in Gangetic basins from 1000 BC onwards. So, this is iron tools identified from this site, and also this rice remains as early as this 800 BC. Okay, identified from this site. So these are some basic identities or identifications or findings from this site. Only this much is enough for writing the description. Okay, so take care. That is another popular site which is Hastinapur. Moving on to the next site, Kaushambi.